This video will show you how to remove the extractor from a Berthier rifle bolt. Ignore those mechanical noises and sucking noises. That is my sump pump working right now because it's raining hard outside. Okay, so this is a Berthier bolt. I believe it's identical to a Lebel bolt. And recall that in order to remove this from the weapon, you first have to take out the screw. Right, screw out, and then rotate your, yeah, I think this is the bolt face or the bolt head. Okay, and then this thing right here, this thing is the extractor. Okay, so the extractor, if you want to remove the extractor, you can't pull it forward, it won't come out. Okay, you have to push it backwards and lift a little bit at the beginning. And it's not screwed in or anything. There's just that, and then it interfaces in the bolt head with kind of a recessed, grooved area right there. Okay, and then when you want to reinstall it, again, start from the back, slide it in this way. You might need to tilt it downwards. Yeah, there we go. Very easy. I'm making this video just because other Berthier bolt assembly videos don't show how to remove the extractor. Really, it's quite loose. Once you've got it to this point, it might even, it could even shake out on its own with enough force. So just one more time.